Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your publication name on Substack. Whether you're rebranding, fixing a typo, or just trying out a fresh identity for your newsletter, this quick adjustment can make a big difference in how your readers perceive your content. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to substack.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your email and password ready, as you'll need those to access your dashboard and settings. This is the foundation for making any changes to your publication. After successfully logging in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a navigation menu with several options. From this menu, click on Dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage everything related to your Substack publication, from posts and subscribers to all your customization settings. Clicking on Dashboard will direct you to a new tab. This might take a moment to load, so just wait for the page to fully appear before moving forward. This ensures that all your publication data is properly displayed and ready for editing. Once the dashboard has loaded, look again at the left side navigation panel. Here you'll find another option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This section is where you can control all the core aspects of your publication, including its name, description, and various other preferences that define how your newsletter appears to the world. Inside the settings page, you'll see a section called Basics. This is where the most fundamental information about your publication lives. Within the Basics section, you'll find a field labeled Publication Name. This is the exact spot where you can make the change you're looking for. Click on the field directly under Publication Name. It will become active and allow you to edit the text. Simply type in your new publication name, replacing the old one entirely. Make sure you're happy with the new name before moving on, as this is what your subscribers and potential readers will see across Substack. Once you've typed in your new publication name, look for the Save button and click it. This action confirms your changes and updates your publication name across the platform. And just like that, you've successfully rebranded your Substack publication with a new name. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.